Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So although I've been getting in the mood for spring, I've got my Easter spring box out. I've started decorating the house and I've got like some lovely flowers and some daffodils and everything's starting to look a bit spring. Weirdly, the weather has decided that it's still winter because it's been snowing all day today. So I've just took a little picture to show you the garden. It's not super thick, but it is sticking a little bit, so that's always exciting. But hopefully it doesn't stick around longer. We do start to get into the mood for spring because Easter is fast approaching. I've been doing a little bit of shopping. I did pop up to IKEA. Didn't see a lot for spring, to be fair. It's just the usual, bits and bobs that you get from IKEA that are fun. So just picked up some little things, a little blind, a little stick-on blind. I might show you when I get that. You cut it to fit. I'm going to put it on the window in the kitchen, on the door when it gets hot in the summer. Just little things like that. Also went to a lovely shopping village and I got a lovely new handbag, which I'm very pleased with. It's super soft and lovely, and because it's from an outlet, it was a great bargain. So in the mood for shopping, I went back to Primark and had another look around. So I wasn't very impressed to start with, but I have managed to pick up a few little pieces and they have got a little bit more Easter in, so I will show you what they've got. And I did have a little look in the Range as well, and they haven't got a lot, but they've got some cute things. And I did manage to pick up a really lovely picture, which I'm going to put in the living room. So I will show you a little look around the shops, and then I'll show you what I've bought. So here's my little mini haul that I picked up, and these lovely cushions. They're so soft and lovely, and such a lovely colour for spring. And then these fantastic picks, olive picks. They were £2.50. Great price. I picked up 3 of those, but that's easily something that I could go back and get some more of. I'm loving this sort of green colour palette that I've got here. So they could go in a vase together. I could get some more, or they could go in amongst other florals to make them spring into summer. Then I got this really cool vase, but it's also could be like a planter, so you could put a plant tree in there. But I think I might go with the olive branches in there. And then this gorgeous picture, I got this from the Range. Really, really lovely. As I said, I was just struck by the colours, really, the green and the purple. Looks lovely. It's like a Tuscan scene. And there was actually another one, so I might go back and get that. That was quite cheap, about £9. And although it's not much, I'm just really happy with what I've got, and it's just making me excited about the spring season. So I'm going to add these into my decor, and I'm going to try and perk the place up for spring. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next week, take care. Bye-bye.